Hi there, this is Stephanie, stephaniehelwig.com, and in this very short video, I'd just like to talk about a few things that I do every time I begin to install a new WordPress site and a theme and get it set up like the demo, just to keep my workflow really fast and efficient. So let's just take a few minutes to prepare our workspace. Great, so here we are. I've logged into my WordPress site. I'm at the administration dashboard. So you would do the same thing, log into your new WordPress install. And then I like to hover over the title up here on the left-hand side and right-click on this Visit Site and then open Link in a new tab. So what that does is now we have our dashboard open in this tab, and over here in this tab we have what our visitors will see when they visit our site. So I toggle between the two when I'm working. I do my work here and then I toggle over here, refresh, and see how the changes are affecting the front side of the site. The next thing I like to do is actually open the frequently asked questions page for the theme that we're installing. So I would do the same thing. I would right click and open in a new tab and select the frequently asked questions page for the theme that we're installing. In this case, it's style. So I'm going to navigate down to the style theme. And here we have the frequently asked questions page for the style theme from Restored 316. And then where it says View Theme Demo, I right click, open in a new tab, and then we have what the site actually should look like. So we have 4 tabs open: our dashboard over here, what our visitors see when they visit our site, the theme instructions for how to install the theme, and the actual theme and what it should look like just for reference as we continue to install the theme. Now that I have the tabs open that I'm going to need as I install my theme, there is another thing I like to do every single time I have a fresh WordPress install, and that is to navigate down to this settings tab, and you'll have a flyout menu, and you're going to choose permalinks. And then I always choose the post name permalink. WordPress defaults to assigning a number to all of your new posts and pages. But if you select this post name down here, then when you create a new post or page, it will default to adding the title after your URL, creating a permalink that has your title in the URL. This is good for SEO, and it's also good for the way that Lauren has developed her themes. We need for instance, the blog page, it needs to be your URL backspace blog. So we want to make sure we choose this post name for the permalink, and then just save your changes. So the last thing I like to do to prepare my workspace is to actually get Genesis and my theme file on my desktop so it's easy to get to as I'm installing. So I just open my desktop view here and make sure that the theme that I've downloaded from Restored 316 is on my desktop, and Genesis as well. Then if I choose to install the demo content, I want to actually have an unzipped portion of the theme file as well. So I'm going to double click on this zip file, and it opens the actual theme files. So we will need some things inside of the style theme. So double click and have that open as well. So Genesis, your theme file, and zipped and unzipped. Now that we have our desktop all set up for a fast and efficient workflow, let's get started installing our theme.